44mm straight head tube, versatile compatibility, unwavering stability. External cables, effortless maintenance, versatile mounting points. Also, rack and fender mounts reflects a commitment to user-friendliness and convenience. Titanium all-road bike frame, OEM and personal customized. 1.37x to 40 BSA threaded bottom bracket. Easy fit, enduring performance. Sliding dropouts with dural hangers. DR5 strength, interchangeable design. Unwavering stability is a prime choice for bicycle chain tensioning. Belt drive opening system, effortless installation, refined aesthetics. Do you like this? Contact us to your personal design. Email xatw@tw-metal.com. WhatsApp +8618 919 34244.